Hello friends, myself Divyanshu Sharma and I am a second year student of MED Law University, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. And in present I am working with Lexis and Company as a legal intern, and my today's topic is delegated legislation. So now I'm going to introduce my topic, the delegated legislation. The Constitution of India empowers legislature to make legal guidelines for the country. One of the biggest legislative capabilities is to decide a legislative coverage and to border it on whole of conduct. Coverage, obviously, such powers cannot be conferred a different institution, but retaining in thought numerous multifarious sports of the welfare state, it isn't viable for the legislature to carry out all of the capabilities. In such a state of affairs, the delegated rules comes into a picture. Delegated legislation is one of the critical factor of the management, wherein the government has to carry out positive legal legislative capabilities. However, one need to know now no longer neglect about the hazards related to the method of legislature might also additionally unduly exceed the bounds of delegation. It won't lay down any coverage, might also additionally claim any of the coverage as indistinct, and can set down any tips of the government, thereby conferring huge discretion to the aid of using it without booking for itself any manage over subordinate rules. Therefore, despite the fact that legislature can delegate a number of its capabilities, it need to know now no longer lose its manage absolutely over such capabilities. Meaning of the delegated legislation. Delegated rules, which means once in while referred as secondary rules or subordinate rules or subsidiary rules, is a method with the aid of using which the government authority is given power with the aid of using number one rule to make legal guidelines, so that if it will put into effect and administer the necessities of that number one rule. So such regulations is the regulation made with the aid of using someone or frame aside from legislature, however with the legislature authority. Legislation with the aid of using any statutory authority or nearby or different frame aside from the legislature, however below the authority of the ready legislature, is known as delegated rule. It is rules made with the aid of using someone or frame aside from parliament thereby through number one rule permits other to make regulations and regulation through a method of delegated rules. Need for delegation, I don't think it should be covered in this topic. So now we will now come on the criticism of delegated regulation. Delegated rules, other than having many benefits, is criticized on many grounds. It is argued that delegated rules permits government aside from legislation to make and amend legal guidelines, hence ensuing in overlapping of capabilities, it toward the spirit of democracy, as an excessive amount of delegated rules made with the legal aid using unelected people. Delegated rules difficultly too much less parliamentary scrutiny than number one rule. Parliament therefore has a loss of manage over delegated rules, and this result in inconsistencies in legal guidelines. Delegated rules therefore have the capacity for using the method with parliament and now no longer predicted, while it conferred it energy through the act of parliament. Delegated rules typically suffers from a loss of exposure, since the regulation made the aid of the public. On the opposite hand, the legal guidelines of the parliament are extensively prescribed. Now, I'm going to conclude my topic. In the quiet, we are able to finish that the delegated rules in the critical within inside the wake of upward push within inside the variety of land and technicalities installed. But on the identical time with the upward push in delegated rules, the want to manipulate it additionally arise due to the fact with the growth within inside the delegation of factor or energy. Additionally, with the increased danger of the abuse of energy, the judicial manage other than the legislative and procedural manages the manner how the delegation of energy may be managed. This the delegated rules may be puzzled on the ground of the significant extremely virus and at the floor of the constitutionality of the figure act and delegated rules. The latter also can be challenged at the floor of its being unreasonable and arbitrary. So thank you, friends. Here my topic is completed, and I hope that you liked my video. And though if you have any queries related to the topic, please let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So thank you and have a nice day.